The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is one of the most anticipated phones right now. The fourth quarter of 2018 got the S10 to a real spot, and at this point of time, we actually know what to expect from this powerful beast. The Korean giant is gonna put a lot of features into the most special S-series phone, which is obviously the S10 Plus 5G variant. But let's talk about this particular variant, as it's the most popular side of S10 series with no proper info. The real reason behind this is surprise that Samsung wants to give you on the 10th anniversary of S-series lineup. However, to give you a proper confirmation, the company has teased this phone publicly. Also, to indicate some initial info, we have a model number of the S10 Plus with 5G compatibility. According to Galaxy Club, this phone will be exclusive to some major markets like United States, South Korea and China. There's no info about an international variant of this phone, but I expect it to be there in some hidden zone, as this is a very expensive version that comes with so-called 5G compatibility and some more highlighting upgrades. At the same time, Samsung will take some good time to make it international, as this is the most common strategy to boost sales in the second half of the year. When we talk about the features of S10 Plus, it should come with a quad camera implementation and a much better user experience. Now, this camera upgrade is already there on the Galaxy A9 but with low capabilities. And as we know, the Galaxy A series has become a way for Samsung to tease flagship upgrades. All after that, the Galaxy S10 Plus will mark its presence with a more powerful potential. Additionally, Samsung will showcase their sound on display tech at CES in January. The company might showcase this tech for both smartphones and TVs, and if we are really lucky, the Galaxy S11 might commercialize this change. The technology still needs to be improved, but considering Samsung's early approach, the hopes are getting to a very next level. So yeah, the Galaxy S10 has started getting some very important info, and for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.